17 years ago, a beautiful journey of faith began. Driven by pure sincerity and a profound love for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Al-Baja was born. Under the gentle guidance and nurturing spirit of our beloved teacher, Hiai Haji Yahya Zaino Ma'arif, fondly known as Buya Yahya, a small spark of light was lit to illuminate the hearts of the Ummah. What started as a single step of devotion has now blossomed into a grand global movement. Propelled by the unity of hearts and a shared noble vision, the serene light of Al-Baja has spread far and wide, crossing oceans, scaling mountains, and anchoring itself firmly into the hearts of communities across the Indonesian archipelago and stretching beyond international borders. Today, on this blessed 17th anniversary, we stand witness to a divine miracle of growth. With no less than 60 vibrant branches flourishing locally and globally, Al-Baja stands tall as a beacon of peace, a sanctuary of sacred knowledge, and a source of noble character for the world. Wonderful Al-Baja, a journey of synergy, a legacy of unconditional compassion. As we look ahead, we continue to walk hand in hand, spreading comfort to souls, reviving divine values, and weaving peace into the fabric of the universe. Happy 17th anniversary, Al-Baja. May its light shine forever, embracing the world with mercy.